Washington Heights was good as the boy Selt, giving it to you live. 189 to St. Nick and Wadsworth. Over here walking to St. Nick. Yeah, man. There's no joke. Let me record a little bit of St. Nick so y'all can see, man. Another take for y'all. This is gonna be the last video of the night, man. I ain't coming down for a bit. But here go down St. Nick right here. Yeah. The snow is thick. Look at the snow, man. Look at the snow, y'all. Oh, man, slide this bicycle. Dale los frenos, primo. Aquí estamos en San Nicolás. A las 8:09 en San Nicolás. Vamos a estar en la calle, casi no hay carro ahí. Un poquito de gente. Miren para allá. Miren the bridge apartment para allá. They got the bridge apartment down there. You can barely see them. See? You can barely see the eye right here. We get up this way. This car about to turn. This car about to turn this way. Yeah. Y'all can see, my people. A little bit of St. Nick right here. They got the police. They got the police coming down. All right. Hey, how you doing, neighbor? How's everything? Yeah, for my YouTube channel. All right, recording right here for my YouTube channel right here. You know? I gotta come take the snow off the car, so you know. So somebody gotta come do it. They're gonna find both going down. I know what emergency they got. Probably running a Dunkin' Donut for the last donut. Yeah. Shout out to my man Perfecto. I know he out there somewhere. I ain't gonna show. Yeah. But here you go, my people. They gonna snow Washington Heights, baby. Yeah. There we go. Time to walk down this. Oh, yeah, I can walk down the sidewalk. Okay. Yeah. People, it's no joke out here, man. This weather is no joke. Got snow on my feet. Damn. I went to go upstairs and just chill. Shout out to my man Roski. Shout out to Pate. Shout out to Saucy. Shout out to Basketball Sweeps. Shout out to Eli. Shout out to Jova. Shout out to Angel. R.I.P. my brother. We didn't forget you, man. Shout out to Touch 2. Yeah. Shout out to Rolandito. Shout out to all the cats at 189, baby. Yeah. Shout out to Glenn. Oh man, working hard. Work hard, baby. Working hard, baby. Yeah. Y'all can see this shit is real. Look at all this snow, my people. Y'all see this? Hey, make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. SELT. If you need any beanie hats, any hoodies, let me know. Meet me up on 189 in Wadsworth. Seller still working. Still on my grind, baby. Never too late. Subscribe to the channel. SELT. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Yeah. Shout out to the people. Manda un saludo a la gente ahí. Estamos activos. Aquí estamos activos, aquí. Ya tú sabes, aquí estamos activos. Mira mi gente, si no tiene que salir, no salga, porque mira esta nieve, esta vaina de verdad. Esta vaina de verdad. Mira cómo está chamaquita. Damn, I wish I had my shorty doing that.
Pedro, enséñale a de picar pollo ahí, que le gusta picar pollo mucho.
Ah, ¿le gusta el picar pollo? Te voy a enseñar a comer. No, oye, que yo pico, papá. Oh, pero no me digas que ese es Johanna ahí. Eso no es Johanna ahí. Dándole un saludo a la gente de YouTube ahí. La gente de Washington Heights. Coño, déjame darle una mano a mi vecina, porque coño, espérate. Déjame darte una manito, ven. Déjame darte una mano, ven.
¿Tú limpiaste el tuyo?
Oh, mira, ya hace mucho. Ay, graba un ching ahí. Así. Ayudando a la vecina. That's how we doing Washington Heights.
Here we have Selt doing the job. This is community service.
Look at I had to help out. I'm a little tall. I got a low reach. How's the husband?
And the other side, cleaning the other car.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
¿Cómo está? ¿Todo bien? La vecina le damos una manito, ¿verdad? Porque si no se paga. Pues sí, yo me priseo, mira, oh my God, boy.
And this is the storm 2026.
you working hard, my people. Si no tienen que salir, no salgan, porque mira, si tienen carro, déjenlo parqueado. Es una lucha aquí. Es una lucha aquí, Bajel.
Perks of being tall.
Yes, yes, right.